Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing some large boho twists. So I washed my hair like a few days ago, almost a week ago, and I left my hair to air dry in twists. So right now I'm just taking them down, then I'll go ahead and spray some hair mist, as I can feel that my hair is a bit dry. So this will help bring moisture back to my hair. And before doing any hairstyle, I like to make sure that my hair is well moisturized, just to avoid any unnecessary breakage. So today I'll be doing large boho twists because I already did mini twists in one of my previous videos, and I'll show you two ways that you can do your twists. You can do the braiding method or the rubber band method. This is the hair that I'll be using, and these are Kinky twist extensions. So the texture is similar to any kinky hair that I've used before, and these are 16-inch long. This is the braiding gel that I'll be using, so I'll just take a small amount, apply it on my roots, then I'll smooth it out. So for every individual twist that I'll be doing, I'll be using just one piece of the kinky hair. So I'll show you the first way that you can do your twist. So I'll do the braiding method. I'll take the kinky hair and start creating a braid. I'll braid a few times, like 5 times, until I see the hair is well secured. Then I'll divide the 3 strands into 2. Then I'll start twisting till the very end. So I'll just continue the same process, and I just realized that I forgot to show you how I attach my curly pieces, so I'll just show you right now. I'll just take the kinky hair and start a braid, and after braiding a few times, I'll divide those 3 strands into 2. Then I'll just continue twisting, and when I'm halfway through, that's when I'm going to attach the curly hair. This is the curly hair that I'll be using, and it's from the same brand. So this is their deep wave hair bundle, and I'll just cut the hair, and that's how much I'll be using each time. This is how my twists are looking so far, so I'll show you again how I do the braiding method. Then on my next one, I'll show you how you can do the rubber band method for those who can't grip. So after applying braiding gel on my roots, I'll smooth it out. Then I'll take again the kinky hair and start a braid. And after braiding a few times, I'll separate the 3 strands into 2. Then I'll continue twisting. And when I'm halfway through, that's when I'm going to attach my curly hair. Then I'll just continue twisting till the very end. So this is the other way that you can do for those who can't grip. So after sectioning off my hair, I'll apply some braiding gel on my roots. Then I'll use a rubber band to tie that part down. Then after that, I'll take a crochet hook, pull the kinky hair through. Then after that, I'll just separate my hair into 2. Then I'll just start twisting my hair. This is a great option too if you want your twist to look invisible. When you use rubber bands, they will look as if you're twisting from the roots. So I'll show you again how you can do the rubber band method. So after tying that part down, you'll take a crochet hook, pull the kinky hair through, then you'll separate your hair into 2, then you'll just start twisting your hair. Now I'm done. I just need to trim the ends and apply some foaming mousse to define the curls, and that's it. So the hair is all done and this is the final look. So I ended up using 1.5 packs of the kinky hair, and for the curly hair I just used less than half a pack. If you have reached this far, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.